Let's solve this logarithmic equation. The first thing we need to do here is to convert it from this form to an indicial equation or an exponential equation. So how do we do that? Now, minus 8 here, the one you have on the right hand side, is the power that 3 must be raised to be equal to x squared. That is how to convert from a logarithmic equation to an exponential equation. Or you can just go this way. You see what I've done? Now this will now be equal to x squared. So this is how you do the conversion. X squared here is now equal to the base, which is 3 here. And then the power is what? Negative 8. So let me say that again. Minus 8 is the power that this base here must be raised to be equal to x squared, which is gotten from here. Simple. Now let's proceed. X squared now is equal to, how do we resolve this? 3 raised to power negative 8. For one of the laws of indices, if you have a negative index, that minus there, the negative sign, can take the reciprocal of that number. For example, you have a raised to power negative x. This can be written as 1 over, that's the reciprocal of a raised to the power of what? X. That's exactly what I'm going to be doing right here. So 3 raised to the power negative 8 becomes 1 over 3 raised to the power what? 8. Now we need to get the value of x. What do? I'm going to square root both sides. So when you do that, square root here and square root here. So this square root will get rid of the squared. We have x would be equal to, what is the square root of 1 here? So let me just write plus or minus. The square root of 1 is still going to be 1 divided by, what about 3 raised to the power 8? Now if you want to find the square root of this number, easy, just divide the index, the power, by 2. That's how to find the square root of that number. Now, it's still one of the laws of indices. If you have a raised to the power x and you have the square root of a raised to the power x, this can be rewritten as a raised to the power x divided by 2. This and this are the same thing. So let's apply that right here. It's now going to be 3 raised to the power 8 over 2. Now x finally is now equal to plus or minus 1 over 3 raised to the power 8 divided by 2 is 4. And this right here is your final answer. See you in the next video.